Have some hot chocolate.
Isn't this nice, staying dry inside?
Yes, it feels very safe and cozy in here.
Let's put the blanket down right here.
Great idea! Kids, grab the poles. This tent will be up in no time.
Got it. Woohoo! This water feels great.
You're doing amazing. Keep going.
Hurry up, you two. It's dry in here.
It is cozy. Let's get this food put away.
There you are. Be careful. It's still very warm.
Thanks, Mom. It's delicious.
Mine too.
That was a really nice trip.
And so the little suit sprites tucked themselves in for the night.